In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract audio from a video using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method. It works on Windows, and you don't need to install any extra plugins or paid software. Whether you want to turn a video into an MP3 for a podcast, save music from a clip, or just grab the audio track for editing, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from videoland.org and install it in just a couple of minutes. Once VLC is open, you should see the main VLC window on your screen. Next, look at the top left corner of VLC and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media window, which is where you choose the video file you want to extract audio from. Now, click the Add button on the right side of the window. Browse your computer and select the video file you want to convert. This can be an MP4, MKV, AVI, or almost any other video format that VLC supports. Once you've selected your file, click Open, and you'll see it added to the list inside VLC. After the video is added, go down to the bottom of the window and click Convert/Save. This will open the Convert window where you choose how the file will be processed. In the Convert window, look for the Profile drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Audio-MP3. This tells VLC that you only want the audio from the video and that you want it saved as an MP3 file. If you prefer a different audio format, you can also choose options like AAC or FLAC, but MP3 works best for most people. Next, you'll need to choose where the audio file will be saved. Click the Browse button under Destination. Pick a folder on your computer, give your file a name, and make sure the file name ends with .mp3. This part is important because VLC uses the file extension to know what format to export. Once everything looks good, click Save, and then click Start. VLC will now begin extracting the audio from the video. Depending on the length of the video, this can take a few seconds or a few minutes. You won't see a progress bar, but you'll notice VLC playing through the video silently as it converts. When VLC finishes, go to the folder you selected earlier, and you'll find your new MP3 file ready to use. You can now play it, edit it, or upload it wherever you need. And that's it. You've successfully extracted audio from a video using VLC Media Player completely free and without any complicated tools. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.